Thank you for your interest in dropshipping. In this webinar, I will be teaching you why it's important to focus on making money and not websites in terms of dropshipping. My name is Otto, and what I like to do is I like to teach you guys how to dropship online successfully by utilizing an AliExpress dropshipping method. Okay, now I've created multiple successful dropshipping businesses, some of those of which you're looking at right now, and I know for a fact that I could show you guys exactly how to do the same thing. Okay. But if you like me, when you started off drop shipping, I looked at multiple YouTube videos, bought various courses, downloaded countless um, cheat sheets and guides on drop shipping, but they all brought me back to the same place, which was basically building an e-commerce website from scratch. Okay. Now, the thing that a lot of people don't tell you on YouTube when you're researching drop shipping is that it is time consuming. It's time consuming to add hundreds of products to your website with hundreds of titles and hundreds of product descriptions and hundreds of photos, okay? And organize it in a fashion that's appealing to the eyes, okay? And so what happens is a lot of people who start off drop shipping, they give up, they get drop shipping burnout, the build burnout, and they give up at the store build. Okay, I want to help you avoid that situation by utilizing my website dropshiprocket.com. Okay, and what I've done is I've created multiple e-commerce stores that are available for purchase, along with step-by-step video marketing training for each website, free hosting, and lifetime support for the life of your business. To be honest, most successful entrepreneurs or dropshippers who start off online, what they do is they research a business and then they contract out professionals to build those websites for them, and then they get to the business of running the dropshipping business um, on their end. Um, a lot of people who are successful online understand that time is money, and they don't have time to sit there and spend weeks or even months building a website where they could be using their entrepreneurial mind and know how to make money. Okay, so that's what I want to do for you. Click in the link below, check out the various websites that dropshiprocket.com has to offer, and let's get you to a point where you are making sales and not websites. God bless you. Click in the link below. Bye bye.